Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brunsonoff, Certified Master Tech from Reading, PA, and today we're going to talk about what equipment you need to wash your car. It's not really that difficult or that expensive, but your local parts stores, Walmarts, Kmarts, they can all hook you up with what you need. Just a few simple things. You're going to need some paper towels when you're all done. Even a bath towel will work. Outside your regular garden hose and access to a little water, you'll need yourself a bucket. Probably, about 2.5, 3 gallon bucket. A little car soap. There's tons of them out there. Anyone works fine. You just pick one with whatever they have available. Just try to stay away from dish soap. That leaves a lot of watermarks and stuff on your car. Most of the automotive soaps are all designed and manufactured not to leave the watermarks, but it's basically going to be a trial and error. You try one out. If you like it, great. If you don't, move on to the next one. Get yourself a sponge. Try to keep it clean if you can. You don't want to get dirt and stuff in here. You drop this thing on the ground, make sure you rinse it off pretty good. The last thing you want to do is have some stones and grit in there and start wiping your car down, and you end up getting scratches all over it. Get yourself some glass cleaner for your windows, paper towels to work with your glass cleaner. The polishing compound I have sitting here, just for a few reasons. If you've got any scratches in your car, you might want to rub that down with a little rubbing compound, little polishing compound, get that scratch out. And then when you're all done washing everything down, you might want to go with a little wax to keep it from rusting out. But that's about all you need, and a little elbow grease and a little access to water, and that's about all you need to wash your car.